Hello everyone, this is Bikash Majumdar, your yoga instructor. Welcome to my channel. Today video topic is about how to do Matsyasana, that means fish pose. So let's start the video. Lie on your back. Cross your legs in Padmasana. Gradually bend backward. You can take support of your hands. Try to touch your crown of the head on the floor. Now gradually raise your arms and hold your toes. Try to put your elbow on the floor. Breathe slowly and deeply. Now taking the support of your hands, release your head and straight your leg. Relax in Shavasana. Those of us who are difficult to do this with cross leg, for easy step, lie on your back with straight leg. Gradually bend backwards. You can take support of your hands and try to touch your crown of the head on the floor and put your elbow on the floor. Breathe slowly and deeply. Now taking support of your hands, release your head and relax. Now let's see what are the benefits of Matsyasana. This asana stretches the neck, chest and shoulders muscles and helps relax them. Fish pose increases metabolic rates and immune system. This asana also improves your digestive health and is helpful in relieving constipation. When you practice this fish pose, blood circulation to your reproductive organs increases. This yoga pose encourages you to breathe deeply. It helps people who suffer from respiratory issues. Now let's see what are the precautions to perform Matsyasana. People who suffer from low or high blood pressure should avoid this yoga pose. If you have neck injury or have injured any part of your lower back, you should not attempt this yoga pose. If you suffer severe spondylitis, you should not practice Matsyasana. Pregnant women should not attempt to do this yoga pose. If you are first time watching my video, then please do subscribe, hit the bell icon and also press the notification all. And don't forget like, share and comments. Till then, see you with another video. Stay strong, stay healthy and thank you for watching.